A man and his mother hailing from Guwahati in Assam were killed, cut into pieces, packed in polythene bags, transported and dumped in the gorges in Meghalaya's Dauki, allegedly by his wife, her lover and her friend. The twin murders reportedly took place at two different houses in Chanmari and Narangi areas of Guwahati. The deceased have been identified as Amarendra De and Shankari De, while the accused have been identified as Bandana Kalita, Arup Deka and Dhanjit Deka. Guwahati Police Commissioner Diganta Barah told media that the murders were committed about 7 months ago. All the three accused have been arrested and are being interrogated now. The mother-son duo, the victims in the case, were reportedly missing since August last year. Parts of the mother's body could be recovered on Sunday from Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Bandana's father has claimed that the married couple was going through a rocky phase in their relationship for the past couple of years.
পাৰিবাৰিক সম্পৰ্ক হেঁটো নিয়াৰ পাছতো ঠিকেই আছিল। তাৰপাছত ল'ৰাটো বোলে বিৰাট ড্ৰাগছ খায়, মাৰে তাইক, এইবিলাক উৎপাত কৰে, মোক কয়। মই বোলো মই কি কৰিম, তই পলাই গৈছা, মই কি কৰিব লাগে? মই সেইটো কাৰণে মই একো কোৱা নাই আৰু। থাকে আজি 2 বছৰ 2 বছৰমান হৈছে। 2 বছৰ আগতে দেউতা মোক হেৰি লাগিব, মোক এটা ৰুম লাগে, মই তেওঁক ডিভোৰ্চ দিব। ডিভোৰ্চ দি দিব আৰু মই কি কৰিম? লাগে দিম দে, ৰুম আছে, ৰুম লাগে দিম। তাই ইয়াতে থাকে, মোৰ তাতে ইয়াত থাকে আৰু যায় থাকে, সি কিবা ভাড়া চাড়া অলপ দি থাকে, সেনেকৈ চলি আছে। ডিভোৰ্চক হোৱাই নাই, কমপ্লিট হোৱাই নাই।
Kalita has been sent to police custody for 3 days. On the other hand, Arup Deka and Dhanjit Deka were being presented in the court on Monday. Further investigations in this case are said to be underway.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.